this is the final look. Super cute. I love it.
Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in time for. That's only 4 hours away.
Okay, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Gonna install this wig, y'all. I had it made. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put this wig on. And you know, see how it come out, y'all. It's super thick. But yeah, make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that post notifications bell so you don't miss out on no new videos. And let's get into the install. Yeah, this is the wig. I was some bundles, and then I had just bought a frontal wig to put on. Yeah. I low-key need a whatchamacallit because it's very big. An elastic band, but okay, y'all, so I think y'all know by now I don't be doing all that extra stuff that everybody else be doing. I don't be bleaching my knots because I don't know how to do all that. So y'all just see me here putting the makeup on the cap because that's all I know how to do, and it's gonna get me right every time. So okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover for this video because it was just a lot going on in the background. But as you can see, I'm just, you know, putting the glue on and then, you know, spreading it out a little bit and stuff. And you're gonna see me add 2 layers of glue. And yeah, just to get an extra hold. And then, yeah, I'm blow drying it so it can, you know, dry a little faster. And yeah.
He gon' drive me insane. You gon' be the one to take me to my great mister.
Okay, y'all, and now I'm just putting the wig like on the glue, and I'm doing it in sections just so I can make sure like it's laying in the right spot that I want it to. And then I'm taking my comb and like kind of pushing the lace and the hair into the glue. Get your band tied up, and then I'm just cutting this lace off so you know it's not in my way. Okay, so now I'm gonna be cutting the little ear tabs off. I know most people usually do it before they glue down the wig, but you know, I just have waited until after just so I can make sure, you know, I'm getting the right measurements, you know, all that, and not messing nothing up. Okay, y'all, this right here is an important step. You're gonna either get your got to be free spray, or I just use spritz because I don't have none. And you're gonna spray that around your hairline, and you're gonna tie it down. And this is gonna be your second one. So the first one was when you put your glue on. This one is the second one with your free spray or spritz. Okay, y'all, so here I'm just plucking where I want it to be. And y'all, I don't know nothing about no plucking. I'm just, you know, just be doing stuff. But now you're gonna see me. This is the third and last. Now you're gonna pull your baby hairs out, however you want your baby hairs, and then you're gonna spray your spritz or about to be around the hairline, and then you're gonna tie it down, and that's gonna be your third nail. see I'm getting ready to do the baby hairs. Now, you don't have to have baby hairs if you don't want to, but me personally, I likes the baby hairs. I'm not gonna lie, I did go back and cut them a little shorter because when I first did it, they was like still kind of long. So I did go back and cut them, and yeah, and then you're gonna see me curl them just so they can, you know, swoop a little better. And then yeah, you just do your baby hairs however you like your baby hairs. Okay, y'all, so the rest is just me, you know, spraying the hair to wet it and get it curly and just styling it. Okay, y'all. This is the final look. Super cute. I love it. And yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that post notifications bell so you don't miss out on new videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this install.